So I'm going to go over the Module 1 overview and what I'm looking at in terms of the objectives and how they're measurable. I put in an overview right here of the course. Of Module 1. Here's the course objectives that are in the course. Here's the Module 1 objectives we're looking at. You'll notice to analyze the difference between macro and micro, explain the relevance of scarcity and economics. We will be looking at those two in the course, and we'll be identifying these in a short answer question. We'll answer scarcity with regard into the discussion board, and we'll be looking at evaluate and the explain. So the evaluate will be another discussion board question with the role of prices and how supply and demand will impact that. Explain the opportunity cost. That will be a short answer question, and we'll relate it to why are they taking this course. So we'll apply to their daily life as well as another way to connect this. So these are the course objectives, and these are the more specific objectives that are related to Module 1 as well.